In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks mini speaker. We have featured a 24-volt mini speaker. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your mini speaker may look different than the model used to film this video. All information provided still applies. This video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual and set aside for later. Carefully lift the mini speaker out of the box, along with any loose, unassembled parts, and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your speaker came with a battery and charger. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Power source. This Bluetooth mini speaker has two options in terms of power. You can either insert a compatible Greenworks battery or plug in directly to a power outlet. Install the battery by aligning the ribs on the battery with the grooves in the compartment, then push it in until you hear a click. Please be aware, the battery will not charge when the unit is plugged in. Powering on. Press the on-off button to turn on the speaker. You'll see the power light come on. Connect via Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your phone or device. If the speaker has not been paired before, it will automatically appear as an available device. If the speaker does not appear or has been paired with another device, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds to reset and put it in pairing mode. On your phone, select Greenworks 24V from the list of available devices. Once paired, the Bluetooth light will turn solid white. Play and pause music. You can use the Bluetooth button on the speaker to play and pause music on your device. Broadcast mode. Want to connect a second speaker? Power it on and place it within 1 meter of the first connected speaker. Press the function button on the second speaker. When the light turns solid white, you're good to go. Aux connection. If you prefer to use a wired connection, you can plug in your device into the auxiliary port using a 3.5mm audio cable. The speaker also comes with a USB-C charging port. For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.